1-4 and 0-5.
3 versus 6.
Something magical will happen if blue wins. We will prevail. We will move on to the knockout
4
phase.
versus 5, first game. Tapos, 3 versus 6, second game.
Go Ducky!
Laban nyo na knockout, red versus ano.
And about to tip off. Buenaventura.
Okay, unofficial, baka red versus green ang
Dexter.
maglalaban. Tapos kung sino manalo
Versus
dito, sino
Tolitz.
manalo dito, kalaban, yung number 3. Second game.
And we're about to start.
Versus
Score 0-0.
Guinear dito.
First attempt is good. Rap! First blood! 3-point shots. Sagot kagad. Blue looking to press. Will they be able to sustain that press?
Score 67-71.
Waka, high scoring? High scoring yun?
Sige, ito naman yung official score ngayon.
Dexter! Bangga
Sige, subukan.
is good. 5-2. 3-point shot yung una. Canonigo. Looks like he was blocked.
Kamunting na tumama, Mr.
Someone got a piece of that ball.
Number 14, from downtown again, Rock Pedro.
Pedro.
Good back. Maganda talaga parang spring. Tumama by Mr. Goldenian. Number 31, De La Cruz, low play. Shot on 14. Worthy.
Canonigo gets a 3.
Yung way number 11,
And the interception. Canonigo.
And one.
And one opportunity for Canonigo. Foul on Dexter.
First on wall number 4. For the shot again. Uy, nice stop by Mr. Cunningham para kay Mr. Boyet. Nabulangan yung bata. Mr. Boyet, nabulangan ka.
Cunningham.
Working zone to shoot.
Marshall thinks about it, shoots.
Short.
Miss. Matakbo ang blue. Raf gives it to back to Spring. Good team play. Action. Oh, drops it to
From downtown again.
Boy.
Number 9, Mr. Castro.
Castro can't handle it. Sayang.
7 minutes and 14. Sayang. Yung effort.
What a good baseball pass.
Nanalo. Kaso, nakusin. He's off. Wala. Wrong by Mr. Marshall.
Marshall.
Eliminating 14 seconds to shoot. And seconds to shoot. Marcel 1, number 10. Wrong by Mr. Rob San Pedro.
Raf rolls the ball.
Oy, slip by Mr.
Fast break raw. Dalang lang yan.
Nanigo looking for Mr. Ang bilis niyan.
Dexter.
Number 4, lays off.
Pumeki pa. No call. Asking for a foul but no call.
Pisong-piso si Mr.
Castro.
Oy, nagmahati.
Almost stolen. 5 seconds. 8. Ay,
Pinugpo. Calling yours number 9, Mr. Castro. First words on the ball, number 9.
Scores tied.
First team ball, 6 minutes
Shut,
and
shut
13.
alright, gotta look at that one.
6 minutes.
Our Skycam.
Heading up. Shot number 14. Number 17, heading on from downtown.
And L drains it.
Control pass.
Oh, what a fake! Sayang.
Ayan.
Good fake.
Castro.
Good
5
idea.
minutes and 48.
Bad execution.
Kung sinong manalo dito, pasok pa rin. Ang
Pasok.
manalo, Rip o Boracay. Sagot ni Mr. Russell Lewin. Pull up. Diba, Mr. Rob Saavedra. 5 minutes and 30.
Ah,
Eto na,
Natakbo.
Rob Saavedra lays off.
lays it up all the way.
At 9. 5 minutes and 20. And then they go,
5 minutes
Mr.
and
Marshall.
40.
Back to number 11.
Marshall.
Number 11, Rob. Number 24. Up the board is good.
Yes, good.
All 9. Number 9, Mr. Castro. 14, Samuel to shoot. And Samuel to shoot. San Pedro setting the play. From downtown, short tayo. The ball by Mr. Cunningham. The on the 1. Cunningham to number 10, backward, lays off. Sorry. Rebound by Mr. Spring.
It's okay. It's okay.
Anong nangyari, Mr. Backward? I see.
Oh, what a block!
Nice one, bro.
Si Mr. Backward. 4 minutes and 58. Malita na ano, Mr. Steven. Kailangan mong umirap ng taga-video. Okay. Hey, bud. Mag-video ka pa kayo. Papalit ng isa ang blue.
Ako na.
Dalawa ang blue, papalit. Tatlo pala. O, doon na. Blue. Blue na.
Cameraman tayo ngayon. Tingin sa camera, Dax. Tingin sa camera.
Hoy. Kinalo, yung live video. Sir Ivan. Not out. Steven from downtown. Wrong by Mr. Cunningham again. Orton Sons to shoot.
Ay!
2 points. Rob Saavedra.
Yaw! Yaw!
On yours over. 4 again. Second person on ball, number 4. How about the first person on ball? Number 4.
Dinidirect sa ball. Mamaya na kasi. Sabi
Team
siya
ball. Leading team, Mr. Cunningham.
Para tara punta ka sa amin sa. Punta ka sa amin sa. Punta ka sa amin sa.
First shot, hit.
Sa amin sa. Sige, parang bayarong ka rin po. Parang Brahmin House lang yun eh. Wow, magbeto ka ng bote. Yaw! Tayo ko.
Ay! Isa pa!
Wala pa rin. Mga kapuso, umaatake ang blue.
4 minutes.
Let's go, sir!
Pushing
Sayang.
ball, here's number 23, Sir Mineta. First result ball number 23, Sir Mineta. 13 ball, 3 minutes and 46. Kaya hina na yung Red Bull, Mr. Russell Lewin. Cunningham from downtown again.
Ayun na naman ang blue, mga kapuso.
And Pedro is being. Oy!
Oy, 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 oy.
Ball and here's number 17, Mr. Cunningham. First result ball number 17, Cunningham.
Pare, parang ngayon ni pare.
Shooting 2.
Parang game.
So Rock.
5 minutes.
First shot is good. 13-12. Shout out sa ating Joke Robert. Ay, ba? Sa akin din.
Thank you, thank you. Oop, 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 oop. Oop.
And the third number.
Papabayad na ba dyan?
Naka-ready naman ang ating kamay, mga sir.
Cardinal tayo. Si Balong. Wala pa nito.
Nice.
Uy! Rob San Pedro.
Oop.
16-13. As kandas. Nakapagsalita yung Balong yan. Number 2. Hello? Number 3 yun.
Ang gandang pasa nun, sir.
Then 15. Then 15. That's that one.
Ayun o, corner.
The shoot.
Tira, sir.
From downtown again.
Bang!
Rebound by Mr. Pineda. Shot clock 14. Pineda. From Mr. Robert. Mr. Robert. Pipilit yung Pinera's. Block. 7 seconds to shoot. Shot clock 7 seconds. 2 minutes and 21. 7 seconds to shoot. Sir Steven. Oy! Kulay blue lang yung referee, pero hindi mo kakampiyan, Sir Steven. 2 minutes and 10. Aaron Pangilinan. 8 free throw. Walang napasok. 2 minutes. One minute and 56.
Rap, bilisan nyo lang.
One minute and 15. Sir Robert. The ball by Mr. Pineda.
Huwag kang magano.
Pineda being harassed by Mr.
Ganyan mo lang.
Canino. 10 seconds to shoot. San Pedro brought downtown. Layo. 1 minute and 38.
Ganyan mo lang, oh.
Pwede man lang yung puti niya.
Sino nag-ano?
1 minute 30.
Kaya mo?
14 seconds to shoot.
Bakit?
Alis ako eh. Tatay ako.
8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot.
Ay, kay Kuya Prince? Apo si...
2 seconds. Oy, sabi na rin. 2.
Ayaw nila eh.
1 minute 17. That's that. Baka na Mr. Panaligo.
Kuya Andy.
1 minute
Ayaw
and 14. And third number steal by Mr. Cananigo. Cananigo leads off. A stop by Mr. Duckworth. Cananigo open. Cananigo lalapit. Rebound by Mr. Duckworth. Mr. Marcel to number 24. Mr. Dalpena. And down pasa ni Mr. Marcel. Ball in number 4 again. Benaventura. Second personal ball in him. And Martin for penalty. 52 sides. 52.
Laban natin nilo.
Mr. Marcel yung sinabi ko.
Hindi, ano, green.
Mr. Marcel gawa eh. I think Mr. Marcel is ang one. May dalawang katakot. Oy, nice stop by Mr. Marcel again. Mr. Duckworth. Oy, that's what I am. Blue. 48 sides. 12 sides to
Ano?
shoot.
Elimination.
48 sides.
Elimination.
Goal.
Ang gawa mo.
And sides to shoot. Hanging on. Hold off. Short. Foul by Mr. Trevor. Benaventura number 4.
Talo.
2-2. Benaventura lays off. What up? Rebound by Mr. Duckworth. Number 24, De La Peña. De La Peña lays off. Put back is good.
Hey, kuha bola!
19-16. Shot clock is dead. That's 18 seconds. 15 seconds. No more shot clock. Nice pass. Pineda off the board. Pass.
Uy, kumakaunted foul.
Again, down. Ball in jersey number 10. Mr. Duckworth. First personal ball number 10. Duckworth. On the shot, number 1. Mr. Rob San Pedro.
Para. Palako na ako. Palako na ako. Oh, kaya bigay para Jason ay tao.
For Giants, 4.
Wah, papunta anak pare.
For Giants, 4.
Wah, wah.
Papunta, sino pupunta?
Cameraman ko mo pare.
Wait for the buzzer.
O sino mag-ano yan?
Let's wait for the buzzer. San Pedro from downtown. And of the first quarter is score 19. So 17. Wrong na dalawa, blue team.
Tapos na? Mag-iinuman pa sila.
Mag-iinuman pa daw. Thank you.
Officially. Okay, officially. Number 1, orange team.
Ooh.
Number 2, black team.
Ooh.
Number 3, yellow team.
Committee announcing the top notchers.
Red team. Number 5, green team.
So, number 1 and number 2
Kung sino man nato dito.
will be
Asok pa rin kayo.
twice to beat.
Back to the movie. Kung sino man nato dito. Kalaban nyo. Pwede na nun. Get ng 5 minutes ko. Pwede nyo ka ng 5 minutes. Pwede nyo ng 5 minutes. Ba't di mag-cancel ng 5 minutes? Hindi pa rin mag-stop to eh. And in 17, dumating na si Mr. PJ Yabut. Ang white team.
PJ Abot.
Ang laban na to. Castro.
For white team.
Number
Nakahabol.
4, Beneventura from downtown. Rebound by Mr. Delpena.
19-17.
Delpena to Mr. Marshall. Marshall to number 17, cutting up. Cutting up to number 10, that word. To number 31, Marshall.
Marshall.
All in your number 5, Mr. Boyett. First personal ball, number 5, Mr. Boyett. And the first team foul on blue team. Hitting to number 31, Mr. Marshall. First shot is, marami Mr. Marshall. Umiiling yung mga audience ng white team. Wala pa rin, para ni Mr.
Miss.
Marshall. Yung mga audience ng blue at white, pwede kayo magsama. Papuntang Boracay.
Spring. Pulls up. Yes, good. Oh. Almost a steal. Fumble after fumble. But White keeps the ball.
14 seconds to shoot. Duckworth looking for
Marshall.
Marshall from downtown.
Wala.
And number 77, Mr. Racines. 77 niya ba? First personal ball by Mr. Racines. Makakalipula na lang number. 14 to shoot.
Canonigo. Downtown. 3.
Mr. Canonigo. 21-20. At Pedro pa rin.
Pedro.
Pedro. Roll tells to shoot. Number 9, Castro from downtown.
Castro misses.
Naka-team Lenny. Puro niyan dito. Awi, ang number 1 and number 2. Twice to beat. 14 seconds to shoot.
White.
Canonigo. Adiyo. Kapay niya, reverse na good. Kanino pala kay Mr. The last touch para Mr. Canonigo.
Will gets possession. Turnover.
7 minutes 51. Pedro to Mr. Benaventura. Siya naman from downtown. Rebound by Mr. Canonigo.
Blue still not shooting on all 4 cylinders.
Canonigo
forced.
Nice stop by Mr. Castro.
Spring secures the rebound. Love pass. Punta kay Boyet. Boyet pulls up. Wala. Boyet gets to the ball.
Pull-up is bringing 2 points.
Spring.
Yung panalo ka, kaso talo ka sa standing. Russell David. Sayang ang Red Bull.
Ooh, good block by Spring. Spring outlet pass. Boyet.
Good intention, kaso referee pala yun. Mr. Boyet, napeki ka na naman.
Dapat ka kasi naka-blue.
Referee pala. 6 minutes and 15. 18 seconds to shoot.
Raf.
Sir Rob. Mr. Castro again.
Castro tumira. Pull up.
Mr. Castro.
Yun na.
Magaling.
Pull up the dogs out.
25-20. 6 minutes and
25-20. Lima ang inhabol ng blue.
14 seconds to shoot. And seconds to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot.
Marshall. Got the 5 seconds.
Ike Marshall.
De La Peña. Basket. And one.
Peña gets an N1.
Ball goes number 5, Mr. Boyet. Down goes on ball number 5, Mr. Boyet. And a 13 ball.
Teamwork from White.
25-22.
25-22.
For the shot on number 24. When the shot is good.
One shot.
25-23. 6 minutes and 17.
25-23.
So Rob sa Pedro. Sabi ni Rob, ayaw ko muna
Spring trying to heat up.
Nice pass para kay Marshall.
Looking to hit up.
And na si Mr. Canaligo.
Spring again chances ng blue. Spring pass to Castro won't miss. 27-23 lamang na apat ang blue.
Canaligo. Back to Mr.
Canonico gets the ball back.
Mr. Marcel.
Backward.
Mr. Canaligo. Kulang. Good.
Canonigo. Steal. Marshall. 2 successive shots. 4 straight points.
5 minutes and 30.
Blue getting careless.
Anim na yung white.
Ingat bola!
Nandito na si Mr. Ebon. 14 seconds to shoot from San Pedro. Tumama by Mr. Marshall. Marshall to number 11. Cananigo. Cananigo to number 10. Mr. Marcelman. 14 seconds to shoot. Cananigo back to Marshall. And so to shoot now play. Short. Tumama by Mr. Cunningham. Cunningham to backboard. That's it.
Cunningham to map board.
5 minutes.
Sayang di nahagip ng camera.
Si Mr. Marcelman. Hoy! Sabi ni ng word, gusto ko na magpasab. Kaso walang magagawa. 6 lang kami. Hoy, si Galing nga mapapalitan. Hindi na ko pang panay mo kasi. Long time of both teams.
Isa blue.
Off the board.
Boyet off the board.
Pwede na yun.
29 off. What? Quarters. Knockouts.
Ayaw nilang matalo. Ayaw pumunta ng Boracay magkabilang team. Marshall from downtown. 3. 30-29.
29.
Nice. Kita mo siya. Final ball by Mr. Cananigo. Cananigo. Side step. Drop. To Mr. Tony. Basket. And one.
Della P showing them how it's done. Power of power.
First personal ball number 13. Warning for penalty of the team. Okay, basket timeout para sa blue. 34-29. On the shot is good. Timeout.
Time out. My team.
4 minutes and 4.
What a run from White.
Early 29. Four minutes and 4. Kung magpumpari kayo, tapos tinalo ka, Russell and Caron. Walang GGK kayo. Kung buong liga, magkakampi kayo. Ngayon, magkakalabang kayo. Caron, Pangilinan, and Russell, Gabi. 4 minutes and 4. Ang masakit kasi nanalo nga kayo. Talo naman kayo sa standing. Sayang ang Red Bull.
Banser. Friendly
Up sa Pedro.
banser.
Drop to Mr. Boyet. The veterans off the board. In and out. Offensive rebound. Pinada block by Collins. Ang sipag ni Collins ngayon. Hasta para sa blue. Uy, sayang. Nice save by Mr. Robinson Pedro.
Nice save by
And
Raf.
si Mr. Pineda.
Pineda, go O's all the way!
By Mr. Marshall.
And another steal. Blue team showing their hustle.
Racing lang yan.
BJ secures the ball.
Ito na, backward. Nagdasal muna from downtown. Sa mga backward. And Mr. Kobe.
Nice kama pare.
Short na yun.
Wah, dami, hakay mo?
Uy, duty foul si Mr. Red. First personal foul, number 15. Time out. White team. Pagod na para-parehas. First personal foul, number 15. Red. And the first team foul, 3 minutes and 6.
Katas na.
Eh, may nga lang.
Makwayangan eh. Yung jang yan
Ayan.
mo pala eh.
Wow, nangita mo. Dami.
Ay, grabe.
3 minutes and 6.
I love it.
Nasilab kahit ang controller kong PS.
Okay, not double
Ang
game.
peak charge ko 3 amperes yan. Original niya pa.
PS4?
PS4 na saan?
Pati kung may extra ka rin.
Original yan.
Oh, yeah.
Ito yung Bluetooth.
31.29.
Dapat natin yung
Oh,
Ate kung meto.
Yeah, Scotty Perez.
ito, ganyan.
Kakapit na yata. Sinaranda na sa Jaron.
Congrats.
Team.
Ikayo pala. Number 2. Wow.
Ibig.
Bukas.
Downtown.
Wow.
O, may sa Marshall.
Na?
Matangkauran na rin kung manigan. Marshall, and a third number. Stay by Mr. Rob.
Ikaw, me?
Rob, took Mr. Pineda. One-on-one.
Pineda, one-on-one.
Patang-pata versus Veteran.
Wow! Pakagat!
Basket. And one.
Lame pa. Ka-play. Ka-play.
Calling your number 24. Mr. Talapena. Sinabayan pa ni Mr. Talapena. First personal ball of Mr. Talapena.
Pwede bang mag-add netong
Or rather, white team. Bonus shot.
Pag-shoot ang atin, matanga siya kayo. Anam niya input.
35, 31.
Kaya buttons na talaga. Dapat sula
Bonus
kasi
shot na
kaya
due.
ano.
Rebound by Mr. Marshall.
Solo play to, alam mo, dwala kang gagalo.
2 minutes and 1 team. Mr. Lacan.
Nami katagal ya.
Pawi. 40 to shoot. And Salas to shoot. And a third number. And then all in the blue team. Dalawa. Dapat sa isa. Benaventura touch pass. Pineda. Uy! Sayang. Benaventura pa rin. 2 points. 35, 33, 1 minute and 55. Ananigo, tumisok na kabay niya.
May pa.
Kabay niya, cross pass, backward to Mr. Marshall. Drop the shoot. Marshall, beat it. Drop to Mr. Tolitz. And
Tolitz,
free.
3 seconds.
Violation. Nice goal.
Good defensive stance.
1 minute and 30,
Para sa
35,
blue.
33. Labang pa rin ang dalawa. White team.
Kayla rin.
Okay,
2
time
of
out red.
5 cameras.
Violation. Robson Petro.
Tametong tamo pa.
By Mr.
Wala
Robson
mong
Petro.
NBA 120 frames pa siya. Pag siya malapit nitong play.
1 minute 24.
Panditan nga ang takata. Potang atas slow nga, wala mo phantom nga, wala mo NBA. Tama bagal. Taksino.
Looking for Mr. Duckworth.
Kami yung pwedeng
Open na
pag-push
Duckworth.
ng mga
Uy,
anti-frame.
masyado malakas na naman yung
Pa mo
mga pasa
mag-layup
mo,
niya.
Duckworth,
Pindutan
Wala
niya
sa
yung
katawan
kanyang
niya na. Hindi alam na, Duckworth na.
Tama.
Lakas ka palang
4
pumasa.
seconds lang.
35, 33.
Kanino voice? Awo.
1
Sabi
minute
na.
na mga
Bakit dala?
Cananico from downtown. Short. Eto na ulit si Pineda.
Pineda.
3-1.
3-1.
Pineda, Kusot Metro. To Mr. Poyet. Sorry. Veteran siya si Mr. Poyet. Poyet to Mr. Pineda again. And someone to shoot. Pineda kick out to Mr. Robert. Benaventura from downtown. Wala. Bye-bye.
Let's look at the foul once more.
Ball in number 10. Mr. Duckworth.
And contact. Upstairs.
Second personal ball number 10. Mr. Duckworth. May pa-chase down ka pa, Duckworth na. 35, 33. First shot. Short.
Tambuhay
44 siya, eh.
kong buwan. Ratangan lima mong angle, replay mo lang.
Bukas na lang.
Bali, record mo ang neta lima.
Ito po ta mag free throw ya. Po ta mag free throw.
Timeout, white team, 35.
Photo mag
34.
gawan tamo akin. Itang camera shoot ang
44 seconds.
photo mag free to yung mga akin na talaga itong
Balon. Talo. Tangat suke lalom.
tinta mo. Panikuha na ako may kabilala. Pero kahit man sa mo. Kasi mag-change court yan naman.
Mag-change siya rin naman.
Ka,
Certi na
connect
lang.
kaya kanyang talan. Laning gamitan. Kay ba't bumabyak yan eh. Ali.
Land cable.
Okay, back to full game.
Padala mo yung ulo.
Zone quarter.
Haba na.
Makakabala rin land ko. 75 meters.
35.
Nano yan eh.
Bukas.
15 meters siya eh. 15 meters siya.
Grade versus
Mitang kay
Red.
Borta.
Kaya mga dadalpak na.
Ali ka. Nung
Yellow.
hindi ka tali may
Waiting
akatang
kung
rin.
sino makakalaban nila.
Dalpak ka rin. Pwede rin wireless. Unang masyado kasing mal. 20,000 yung wireless.
Walong free throw lang. Napalo. Parang pipisalin ka mo pare. Order to shoot.
Siya kay Tanglan na lion delay. Lion delay. Tanglan.
Follow jersey number
Ito mag-battery pack na kaya tang...
Sirap sa Pedro ng chicken wings. Sirap sa Pedro. Penalty na rin. Sa penalty na blue. Chicken wings. Rap sa Pedro.
Masyado mo pindakal sa setup. Pwede na sanang lagay ito.
Higit ko na ito yung sineta.
Una nga lila live dito. Dito ang live ilang. May antak yan eh.
36-34. 4 shots game.
Pwede may i-choose na.
Wow, shoes.
Patayin sa kayo. O ito. Patayin sa kayo.
Tang atin talagang buttons. Foreign
Hawak, itang
So
switcher.
go ahead. Mike, reserve Pinero. Order to shoot. Pinero to number 1. Rob San Pedro.
San Pedro downtown. Paling.
Benaventura. Shot lang is na off the board. Ready sa point. Uy, grabe na remote. Last 9
Oh.
seconds.
Namais is asking if you can order
5 seconds. Wait for the buzzer.
He's asking if you can order leche money.
I cannot order. I don't have internet. Get the phone from the handbrake. There.
And at the zone quarter is 39-34.
Here, ayun, oh.
Naro.
Get my phone and then bring it home.
What's na sir?
No.
Kaya ka to. Wow, bang Alfonso ng open. Ay, dahil. Matik, Charon. May 10 na kayo. Nino pa waring mamit ko. 39-34. Nakabaso na yan.
Recorded.
Alam mo
Yung,
webinar?
yung nakaganyan. Tapos, hindi ka make setup?
Hindi.
Hindi. Sinabi niya sa akin. Dahil nakita ko siya in action kung paano siya. Dalawang, yung parang may film na X, ano, parang ilaw.
Oo.
Na puti.
Bring it home. I don't have internet here. Bring it home so you can order through my Grab app.
Tapos may camera na.
And just pay cash. Get from my wallet. Okay?
Sa SLR, yung mali ano, 4K.
Obsbot ba yung tinignan mo? Obsbot? Yung sinend ko sa'yo, Obsbot?
Hindi, pero ibig sabihin, salita ako. Hindi webinar. Parang live na
Okay.
live na talk. Pero yung setup, pag tinignan mo sa ano, hindi na. Kumbaga ginamit dito ang
Magdadala dyan sir yung ilaw mo. Yung light.
wala pa tayong mag-stream kang NBA. Na anong gagamitan ka kanta? OBS pwede yan eh.
vMix. Nangaliwa, vMix.
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 Tingnan mo. Ay, lightning talaga. Sa lights na.
First quarter. Change spot tayo.
Or layo ng ilaw? Layo ng ilaw. Dapat nasa taas.
Kulang pa na.
Sinash Canas, magandang laban pala. Kung manalo man sila.
Ayan.
Laban nila.
Cunningham.
Kaning nonigo kanu ade. Kaning nonigo.
Oh!
Ref, sagad!
Ito na si Rob. Didiscard ito. Rob San Pedro, drop to Benaventura, come. Benaventura. Ay, mo na.
Sergio no?
All is first number 15. Mr. Abbott. Second person of ball number 15, Mr. Abbott.
Tingnan mo siya.
First team ball.
may top yun na.
Ayun na.
Oo.
Gimbal siya. Nakasama siya dito.
39, 34. First shot is good. So, din pala pang punsto. Mr. Ramos. Bottom two.
Sumikat ko kanyang pa. Panayan mo kong bibidyo.
At ito pa niya yung Nash Canlas. Veterans na yan. Ito pa niya pa. Loko na din po na ka ng arena.
Woo!
Off the board is good. Reserve.
Spring with the follow-up.
20.
Good pressure. 8 seconds.
Counted.
Let's look at that foul.
All of yours number 23. Push ball.
Contact.
Mr. Pineda. Second personal ball, Mr. Pineda. First team ball, blue team.
Pagtakang po kayo ng Novo, alay ka siyang kay Nash Canlas.
All 39. 39. Ikita.
Wala akong di pa. Matino pa.
Mainit pa rin, ano?
Subdivision.
Nga pa. Wala akong di pa.
Kananiba ko.
Balak salong blow. Ay, wayak pala. Kenny ka pa.
Yeah, pare, ako mag-guide.
Makanya niya man. Wah, makanya niya. Naman niya palilipat. Oh, nubugin mo yung pilipat-lipat.
Small ball or small ball with Mr. Racines. Spring. Second personal ball on you, Mr. Spring.
Kami miskita sampayan tama.
WJ.
Bota kasi mo kan.
Uy, masyado mataas. Sakto para kay Duckworth. Duckworth. To number 17 nga nga. Magandang pasa. Sa open niya, Tony.
Dahil Peña having a heyday.
Ay mo na. Reserve ka na lo. Pineda, lock.
Pineda. And Pineda makes it.
42-40.
42-40.
Balitan lang kayo ng score.
Come on.
Number 17.
Blue hoping to win. And white, of course.
Yabut Pong. Yabut off the board. George. Come on by Spring. And outlet ka na ng kay Mr. Castro. Side step. Block by Mr. Duckworth.
Blocked by Duckworth. Solid block.
Huwag mo nang i-flex, Duckworth. Sayang lang. Hoy, nawawala. Mr. Del Peña. Tolitz again.
Tolitz having a heyday.
44-40. Ayaw sumakay ng airplane ni Tolitz. Libre yung ticket. Sagot ni Sir Roy. Trip to Barangay, no Sir Roy. Kung sino matalo dito. Nice D.
Wow, laglag.
Kay Mr. Cunningham. Ito na ang white team. Mr. Marcel. Uy, nagawan lang ng lollipop si Duckworth. Benebeto na rin. Uy!
Ay, putik.
Ay.
Na yung ulo niya.
Kailangan talaga may bomb yun.
Pinot.
Delikado yung mga yun, yung mga
Kanina?
corner na yun.
Wow.
May ball tayo, yung mga corner na yun, delikado talaga. Kailangan po. Tandaan lang kayo. Foul on jersey number 24. Okay, sino may medic dyan? Kailangan mo na ng medic. Yung Mr. Calamenya. Proceed muna tayo.
Kantuya siguro pa. May kantuya.
Yellow tayo, yellow.
May kantuya eh. Palagay na ulit.
Kaya katutuko, Mr. Calamenya. Sige, rap. Papalitan mo na si Mr. Calamenya.
Pero lagay pa rin natin yung foam.
Kapag-galye. Yellow mo din kaya na lang. Sir Russell David, kailangan ng yellow. Mr.
Kaya matahi.
Akabab, last na.
Litos okay.
Oh, ayan, meron mo.
But mga itangal yung boys.
Ali. Eh, nakulong. Third quarter na.
Sure?
Wah.
Par, lako daw pa.
Wah.
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul.
Here's number
Colden.
20. Sir Cunningham.
Cunningham called for the offensive foul.
Six minutes and open. 44-40. The better crossover.
Back.
Speed. Step back.
Step
Ginawa
up.
lahat ni Ralph. Short. The ball by Mr. Duckworth.
4 shot.
Ball with yours number 20, Mr. Benedum.
44.
Third
Apat pa
personal
ang
ball with
kailangan
Mr.
ng
Benedum.
white.
And a third team ball of
Blue
blue.
pa rin ang blue.
Five minutes and third solid. 44-40.
Good defense. Pineda. Trap by
40
Pineda.
seconds to shoot.
And successful trap. Dexter gets to it. Quick hands by BJ.
And the Nazi on one. Easy five. Duckworth.
Duckworth with a good screen from
Easy
Marshall.
five to Duckworth. Ibangkak talaga si Duckworth. Nasa palm. Ikaw. Rob San Pedro. Esti.
Pedro.
Rob. Pipilit pa si Rob. Rob. Sa Mr. Pedro. Basang-basa ni Marshall. 5 minutes tayo. Pwede na si Mr. Marshall. 46-14. Number 17, Cunningham. Ikaw. Duckworth again.
Duckworth again. Whoa! What a play! Duckworth is having a heyday.
Naka-score na si Mr. Maselman. Duckworth. 4 minutes and 14. Sabi ko na. From downtown, George. Rabang by Mr. Canaligo. Ito na ulit ng white team. Pag-iban na yan si Duckworth. Nahihirapan na siya.
Pineda gives it to
Off
Raf.
the board.
Raf
San
off the
Pedro.
board. 2 points.
49-42. 4 minutes and 14. Abante ng pitong white team.
Marshall slowing
14
things
seconds
down.
to shoot.
42-49.
9 seconds to shoot. Step back. By Duckworth.
Step back.
Rebound. By
No
Mr.
good that time.
Spring. Mr.
Dexter.
Benaventura.
Bigay kay Raf.
White team. Ito na. Rob San Pedro. Rob San Pedro. Lays off.
Lays it
4
up.
shot. Rebound by Mr. Cunningham. Cunningham to Mr. Canonigo.
Canonigo takes it
Canonigo.
strong.
To Mr. Yabo.
Lobs it to BJ.
That was
Handed
the
BJ.
basic. BJ. Yabo.
BJ.
Keep going 42. Ipatay ng contest si Mr. Yabo. Spring. Oy, turnover na naman.
Turnover.
Ito na ang white team.
Sorry, turnovers for blue team. Finds Marshall. Marshall can handle it. Lost the handles. Spring, good defense. And he picks up the foul from Cunningham.
Jack, hindi ka nakakuha.
Third personal foul on you, Mr. Cunningham. Warning for penalty. White team. 8 minutes. Yung 42. Set na ako ng blue team. Nice pass. Pinado.
Nice pass to Pineda. 2 points under goal step. Nakalusot.
Serve timeout. Ang blue.
Short timeout. Blue.
14 seconds to shoot.
Marshall. Looking
And down to
for
shoot.
the open man.
Canonigo.
Canonigo takes it.
Short
Miss.
Offensive
El gets to the
foul by
offensive
Mr.
rebound.
Canonigo.
Canonigo. Blocks.
Pisong-piso ni Mr. Benaventura.
By
Backward
Benaventura.
short. 2 minutes and 20. Big
Raf.
ball pass. Still by Mr. Marshall.
Marshall.
2 minutes and 15.
Pinabagala ng play. Veteran moves from Marshall.
14 seconds to shoot.
Trying to preserve his energy.
Marshall pa rin. Drop
And
to Mr.
the
BJ.
lead.
Reverse.
BJ!
Blue
Reverse.
team. 53-44. Exactly 2 minutes. Third quarter.
Exactly 2 minutes na lang. 44-53, may sagot si BJ sa run ng blue team. What an answer from BJ.
Minutes. Okay, back to bogey. Pasok ulit si Mr. Robert. Papalitan mga si Mr. Pineda. 53-44. 2 minutes, third quarter. Bukas. First game natin. Mukhang maaga. Dati Roy.
Anong oras tayo bukas? 5:30. Papalitan.
First game natin. Anong oras, Dati Roy? Six pa rin. Kasi umuulan Dati Roy. Ayun din. Onyek to shoot. And so to shoot.
Makes it.
San Pedro.
Cuts it to
56-43.
7.
Pinirap. Gusto kong manalo. 1 minute and 30.
Blue looking to close.
Panalig to number 17.
Closer.
Active Marshall. 14 to
Strong
shoot.
sa third quarter. Marshall.
Marshall. Pull off.
Tumitik.
Rebound.
Ayan, napakasipag ni El.
Last touch para sa blue. 13 seconds shot clock.
And White retains the ball.
Shot clock 13.
Good challenge by El.
Ako play. Standing on. Nice pass. Mr. Marshall. 55-46. Turnover na naman para sa blue.
Turnover again. Frustrating night for Blue.
Ayun yung ball. A minute. Shot clock 14. Marshall. Pumangga.
Marshall.
10 seconds to move backward from downtown.
Backward, tumira. No good that time.
49 seconds. Third quarter. Off the board again. Rock
Wow.
San Pedro.
But he makes it.
55-48.
For an one, but no call.
38 seconds.
Nice acrobatic na shot.
35 seconds.
7 muli ang kalamangan.
14 seconds to
This is
shoot.
still doable for Blue. Masungkit kaya
And
nila sa
seconds to
dulo.
shoot.
Or White magpapatuloy ang kanilang dominance sa ating game.
Shot clock is dead. Last 21 seconds. 18 seconds.
Attacks. Foul.
Ball in yours number 11, Mr. Cananico. First personal ball number 11, Cananico. Penalty situation. 8:15 seconds. That's 15. Third quarter.
First free throw is good. Anim na lang.
One of two. By Mr. Rob San Pedro, 55-15. 15 seconds. Shot clock is dead na na.
Almost an interception. L.
Cananico, pays off.
Fish for the foul.
Ball in jersey number 4, Benaventura. Third personal
Benaventura.
ball in you, number 4.
Zip to
Martin
for the
Cordell,
foul.
blue team, 10 seconds, 55-50. Getting two, number 17, Cunningham. First shot is good. 56-50. And seconds, 10.
Cunningham. Looks like
Oh,
Spring was fouled that time.
Like a ball on Mr. Cunningham. Warning on number 17, Mr. Cunningham. Penalty there, both team. Ref, both team, penalty.
Warning
8
for
seconds,
Cunningham.
8. Both team, nasa penalty na. Five versus 4 yan. Hello. 8 sides, 8, 56, 51. 8 sides,
8 seconds left sa ating third quarter.
5 sides, wait for the buzzer.
5 seconds.
Mr. Canonigo.
Guess it Canonigo. Canonigo and makes it. Buzzer beater.
And of the third quarter restore, 58, 51. Ito,
7 pa rin ang
20.
kalamangan. Sayang, that would have cut the lead to 5. A buzzer beater by Canonigo. And the last quarter will determine who will stay in this cup. 6 Niveau Cup. Remember, the winner from this game would move on to the quarterfinals.
Lang natin, ha? Pag-ibantayan na. Relax lang ulit, ha?
Tolitz coming back to the game.
Today, 51. Talagang matubuhan na.
Know how valuable this match is.
He's on visit. Rob
Rob.
San Pedro. 58, 53. Gusto manalo talaga ni Rob San Pedro. And minutes and 44. Marshall, being harassed by Missouri. Casaro. Shot clock 14. Canonigo.
Canonigo
from
shoots.
downtown.
And what a time for Canonigo to sizzle.
Benaventura to Mr. San Pedro. Play by. Pull up jumper. 2 points. Rob San Pedro. 61-55. Number 17.
El Bumomba. Power move.
Spring. Benaventura. Benaventura siya naman. Ball downtown. Rebound by Spring.
Rebound by
Spring
Spring.
up the board. That's it.
Spring makes it. Let's look at Zapling. Mali lamang la.
61-57.
May ka-buzzer beater. Third quarter.
14.
Fourth na. Marshall.
Challenge to shoot. Marshall.
Pinakilaman.
Wala pa rin.
Good rebound from Spring.
Blue team. Open pass. Number 9, Castro.
Castro.
Floater.
Won't miss. Up close.
59-61. Dalawa na.
59-61. Dalawa na lang. Disciplined out. Oh! Tumama sa paa! Tumama sa paa! Rap, tumama!
White ball.
May replay ako dito. Joke. Yok, pwede mo.
59.
Presyokan mo. Tinan siya bitis eh. Joke.
14 to shoot.
Back to the ball game.
Hands on to shoot. Canonigo again. Ball downtown. Short down. And now let's see Rob San Pedro.
Back, San Pedro running.
San Pedro to number 9.
Okay.
Play again. Block again.
Block!
Backward.
So, let's look at the block once more.
Running off number 17 out. Balik si Suryabot.
Pinaribay.
61-59.
Solid siya. Diba? Wala na eh. Maka...
7 minutes and 15.
Nung ma-teamwork lamang na.
Yatang 18.
So,
14 sa mga shoot.
pasok!
Retro again. Ball down. Retro by Dalit. Marshall. Number 11. Canonigo. Back to Marshall. Bounce pass. Gandang pasa. Backward.
Duckworth having a game.
63, 59. Padidiitan na naman yan. Ismail. Castro. Benaventura siya naman. Short. Rebound by Spring. Block again. Bradison Duckworth.
Duckworth having a game.
Bradison Duckworth.
Offense and defense.
7 minutes and 5. Zordonitz back to Mr. Duckworth. Duckworth again. Pull up. Lumilipad pa rin.
Almost gets it.
3 on 3.
Dexter.
Benaventura. Kadangikot. Kaso maliyok. Asa mo, Mr. Benaventura. Other steal by Mr. Rob San Pedro.
Ay, Rob San
And now left
Pedro.
blue team. Crossover
San
by Mr.
Pedro.
Rob. to Mr. Spring.
Quick
Game
hands.
ball. 6 minutes and 30. Fourth quarter na tayo, 63-59 from downtown Castro.
Castro shooting.
Alas
From
tres,
afar.
Barangay Buenaventura.
Apat lang yan, oh.
6 minutes 16.
Come on.
Subdivision. Duckworth out.
At nilabas si Duckworth.
Awang patay na si Duckworth kahit niya
Duckworth
mag-isama.
was having a game but sagad.
Andun si Mr. Aris Lasam. Bukas, may laban kayo, Mr. Aris.
Number 1 team.
First game kayo. Green versus Red. 6 minutes and 10. From downtown again.
Oh! Canonigo! Dagger 3.
59.
Just when lumalapit na ang blue.
Up,
Yes.
San Pedro.
San Pedro
66,
asking for a foul. 61-66. 5 na lang.
5 minutes and 15.
Again, Marshall wisely slowing down the game.
Holding challenge to shoot.
BJ, simple game.
And challenge to shoot. Hello, Peña.
De La Peña.
Kanino, last touch para kay... That's the
Last
split.
touch.
13 seconds to shoot. 13 to shoot. And to shoot. Nice knee by Mr. Boyet. Mr. Boyet to Mr. Castro.
Moeto Castro.
Castro ngayon din sa
Castro.
Castro to Mr. Spring. Spring
Spring pulls up.
2 points to
Yeah.
Mr. Spring.
Good pull up. 62-66. Apat na lang muli.
Foul, white team. 66-63. 5
Ila.
minutes and roll.
Wait.
5 minutes and roll. Fourth quarter.
63-66. Blue trying to...
Rapid
to
time
one
out to
another.
both team. Take the long time out. 5 minutes and roll. Back to the ball game. 5 minutes and roll.
Back to the ball game.
66-63. Karon, kahit takbuhan din po ngayon, alam ko makakanyang yan.
PJ slowing down the game
Looking for
wisely.
Shot clock
Marshall
14. 5 minutes.
finds Canonigo.
Ating karo.
BJ gets with the ball.
Wala. Nice for the ball. Sabi ni
Diving
Spring.
for the ball. This is how important this is. Castro lays it up all alone.
66-65.
Sana lang.
Castro. Yun 8 ni
Blue
Andy.
waking up just in time.
4 minutes and 38.
Oh! Muntik na.
Ano Nico?
Canonigo.
Open ka na.
Tumira ng tres.
Rebound by Marshall.
Marshall, offensive
foul.
rebound.
Misses.
Makes it.
68,
ng Marshall.
Sa tato. Rap sa Pedro. The number 9 Castro.
Castro pulls up.
Oy! That's
Sorry, miss. Frustrating night
4 minutes and 8.
for the Blue Shirts.
65.
Manigurado pare. Mag-point guard na mo rin, no?
What?
Holding challenge to shoot.
Marshall slowing down the game.
And challenge to shoot.
Veteran moves.
Yay. Over. Short. Offensive rebound para sa Pinoy.
Oh!
Nangyari, Mr. Cunningham.
Cunningham Blues is not ready for that
3
pass.
minutes and 41. Cunningham out. Babalik ulit si Mr. Duckworth. 3 minutes 41.
Fourth.
Aport na yan.
Wow. 4 minutes left.
At Pedro Bret to Mr. Spring.
Spring!
Spring. Rosines. 68, 67. Baba na isa. 3 minutes and 25. Tatlong minuto.
Yan!
DJ.
What a game! Kamukha ng game 1.
Marshall. And someone to shoot. Canonigo. Siya naman. Pull up. Block 2. Rebound by Spring.
Spring gets to the ball. Baseball pass.
Castro, dito sa
Castro.
karte, backhand shot. Castro for si Shabot. Pull up. Hindi na agad si Spring. 3 minutes.
Oh,
And that's that. Para kay Mr. Duckworth.
datok niya yung spring ito.
Kung na-drop mo yung bola kay Spring, easy basket.
Extra pass.
2 minutes and 53.
2 minutes
68,
53, 68, 67.
Ang ginamon ng blue team.
Shouting distance.
Good evening, Senator Pani Ancheta.
Slimmest of leads.
14 seconds to shoot. Spring again,
shoots.
pangalabang na. Short. Nice save by Mr. Moyet. So, that's that para sa blue. 2 minutes and 33.
They need to stop Blue Shirts. Need to stop. Good play. And Spring fighting for it. Foul.
Foul in yours number 24, Mr. Robin.
Let's look at the foul once more.
Personal foul number 24. Foul. Ang tawag na referee. Nakatalikod si Nonitz. Hindi pwede tayong mag-jumble ka nun. 2 minutes 19. 68. 67.
Kaya yan, par.
First team foul pa lang. Ang white team.
Tiwala lang.
2 minutes 19.
Happy na yan.
68. 67.
68, 67.
Sa
Isa lang.
Pedro.
And Ralph makes it!
Lamang na ang kumuna ng blue team sa 2060.
Talo mo na yan, eh? And change favor.
Nice.
Blue leads by 2. Last 2 minutes just on time. Yun lang. Spring fighting for the rebound. Jump ball. Eh?
All the jersey number 1 is Rob San Pedro. Dapat personal ball on number 1, Rob San Pedro. First team ball on Team Blue. 70-68, 1 minute and 4
Nadaguling kwarta mo. Nadaguling kwarta mo lang.
Oo, wala yung mga kamay dyan eh.
Bala mo tinyang uli ng rafters na bleachers.
1 minute and 49.
And
Try na yan mo.
Tolits.
Ah, may mga wala.
Good job. Buenaventura to Spring to Rap thinking about it. Shoots again. Wow! Back to back! 3-point shots from Rap. 73-68. What a game! Canonigo! Hawak!
Isabela 1 minute and 20.
Hawak! Tawid! Hawak!
Naka-ready na ang mga green ticket nyo.
Woo!
Panalo nito, shot clock 14.
Bias broadcaster here. Nice one, Rap!
10 seconds to shoot, 1 minute and 8. San Pedro to Buenaventura, pumatay. 5 to
Pumasok
shoot.
ulit! Wow! My golly!
Pedro, a blue team,
Woo!
other white team.
Superman!
Lasot!
Nagliyab ang kamay.
Woo!
San Pedro,
Wow!
55 seconds. 76-68.
Siya makalamangan. Yun lang! At miss pa! Rap is fouled! Woo! Woo!
What? Ball in a 17 ball.
Rap!
76-68, 51 seconds. Nagliyab ang kapoy.
Baba. Ingat!
76-68.
Game clock!
49 seconds, 49.
Clock is dead.
45 seconds.
45 seconds. Yeah, ubus lang! Rap, sagad. Thank you. Ba!
Ball downtown.
Oh my golly!
Blue.
Sumabog ang blue!
Ay, Dana.
48 seconds.
Oh my gosh!
Tira, pare.
16 seconds to shoot. Marshall siya naman.
Marshall, pumutok din! Putukan na po mga kaibigan. 80-71.
14 seconds siya naman. Green.
My gosh! Exhibition game mga kaibigan. Sagutan ng taas! And Blue wins! Blue wins! Blue prevails!
Hey, picture!
Alaman nila ang team na ginawa sa kambing.